So it's that time again to clean my mouse pad. It's kind of dirty. You can see where my palm sits, where I hold the mouse in my left hand and where I rest my right hand for the keyboard. So normally I just take my mouse pad, I put it in the tub and scrub it with a brush to clean it. Something I'll learn is I should have used some like Shut Out or something for the deep stains. So here I lay it in the tub and I have the tub stopped up. I should have sprayed some of the soap now, but I just run the water, let it kind of fill up to where it covers the whole mouse pad, which you see right here. I just want to get it saturated, but I should have put the soap on first before I did this. So once I got the tub to a level I thought was good enough to get the cleaning on, I'm just going to use some Dawn Power Wash. Of course, you can use any type of soap, but we got this on hand. And then I'm going to take a brush, something you can scrub it with. So I'll take that and I'll just scrub back and forth until I get it clean. So I took the mouse pad back out of the tub so I can spray this soap on it to get it ready to be scrubbed. And I just push it back into the water and just go at it pretty much, trying to scrub on the areas that I know were the worst. And I'll just keep doing this until, I think it looks clean. Eventually you're going to tell the water will start changing colors, I guess, from all the stains and dirt. Typically it's like when I'm sitting on a computer, I might eat something. I have a plate up there and, some food may fall on it, whatever. Drinks that I set up there. So over time it just gets dirty. So here you can see the discoloration in the water. Kind of looks milky or cloudy. So now I'm just rinsing it out, trying to get some of that soap out of it. And then I'll more than likely just let it sit outside in the sun. I think that'll probably be the best option, especially if it's hot where you live, sun's out where you live. Just put it in direct sunlight and let it do its job. So here it's pretty much dry. It's probably would dry sooner, but you can still see some of the stains that I was telling you about, but it is much better. Here's the after all said and done. It's better than before. You can see the difference between these two shots here. But other than that, I think it's good enough.